Today, I am sharing my all-time favorite no-bake treat, a dreamy, creamy, no-bake lemon pie. This pie is a perfect blend of tangy, sweet, and oh so creamy goodness. And it is made with just 5 simple ingredients. Can you guess what they are? To make this easy lemon pie, start by grating the zest of 2 to 3 unwaxed lemons. Next, place about 20 graham crackers into a food processor. Blend them until they become fine, even crumbs, resembling sand, and there are no large pieces left in it. Then, pour the crushed graham crackers into a mixing bowl. Add 1 stick, which is about a half a cup, of melted butter, and mix until the crumbs are well combined and resemble wet sand, as you can see here. Now, pour the mixture into a medium-sized spring-form pan and, using a cup or a glass, press the crumbs evenly across the bottom and slightly up the sides to form the crust, as you can see me doing here. Make sure it is packed tightly and leave it aside for a moment. Next, take the lemons you used for the zest and cut them in half. Squeeze the juice out, making sure to remove any seeds. You will need about 6 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Next, pour 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into a large mixing bowl and then add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Using an electric mixer, blend the mixture until it is smooth and well combined and will start to thicken slightly. Then leave it aside for a minute. In another large mixing bowl, pour in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Use an electric mixer on high speed to whip the cream until medium to stiff peaks form. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overmix, as you want the cream to be light and airy. Now, pour the condensed milk mixture into the bowl with the whipped cream. Using a spatula, gently fold the whipped cream into the condensed milk mixture. Be careful not to overmix. You want to maintain the light and airy texture of the whipped cream. Now, take the crust we made earlier and pour all the creamy lemon filling into the graham cracker crust. Using a spatula, spread the filling evenly across the crust, gently pressing it to the edges. Smooth out the top so it is level and looks nice and even. Place the lemon pie in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 4 hours until the filling is firm. Then, remove the pie from the refrigerator and gently release the side of the spring-form pan and lift it away. Top the pie with small spots of whipped cream, placing them evenly around the edge. Add thin slices of lemon and sprinkle with extra lemon zest for a burst of color and added flavor. This creamy lemon pie is so sweet and tangy, and the filling is so creamy it just melts in your mouth. Plus, the graham cracker crust gives it an awesome crunch that makes every bite irresistible. If you liked this creamy lemon pie with condensed milk, you have to check out my recipe for super easy and incredibly rich and creamy 2-ingredient lemon ice cream here. Check it out now.